Alright, guys, welcome back into the studio. Now, ever so often, I'll get a piece of artwork or project, Lego build, fan art that I want to really just display in my studio, up on my shelves with my trophies, just something fun and just casual that I can look at. Now, I actually received this as a gift from my sister-in-law. She's absolutely awesome at giving gifts, by the way. She's given me some awesome gifts in the past, but this is next level, right? So go ahead and sit back. We're going to go ahead and time lapse and build this This Is Fine project.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't. Don't stop.
Alright, you guys, so as we near the halfway point on this awesome video content here, I am finishing up the back wall, which is that nice kind of like lime green color. We got the windows set into position, as well as this plume of smoke. We of course also have the kind of wood flooring done, and it does have some block pieces to attach the flame pieces that we'll get to in the second half of this video. Now the back door is just a solid green kind of door that's kind of inset into the background. It's really not an integral part of the actual project, but it's just a stack of blocks that just go behind the existing wall. So we're going to go ahead and work into the flames, then we're going to work into the actual furniture and the dog as well. Now, of course, if you're interested in picking one of these up for yourself or a gift for a family member or a friend, you can find this in the description below under my Amazon affiliate link. Not only the direct link to the actual block build for This Is Fine, but also my entire playlist for all of my artistic mediums that I have on my main channel. But again, if you're interested in one of these block sets for yourself, you can find that in the description below. So sit back in the second half of the video as we go ahead and finish out the flames, get some furniture as well as the dog put together, and let's go ahead and finish this bad boy out. Alright everybody, so this is the almost end portion of the video here, just me putting the final touches on this little project. Now this isn't a Lego build, it's like an off-brand, but it's absolutely incredibly cool. And just remember that that product is listed in the description below also. I love this little meme type of thing where it just displays the meme. It's one of my very favorites, and this is fine. The little doggy getting burned alive, or the room is on fire, and it's just like, it's okay, we're just gonna roll with it. How worse could it get, right? Sipping his cup of coffee there, I can feel that. Now, it's not normally the type of thing that I post on my art channel, but it's definitely pretty cool because I'm displaying this in the studio. Pretty cool overall, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check out some of the art videos that I have on my main homepage. Later, guys.